Hey, guess what, man? Here's the best looking shopper we have at KTA. But who's the fastest chef?
Man in a pan.
Okay, big shout out to Man in a Pan. Awesome. Hey, guess what, man? I got my friend Leah all the way from Manhattan. Amazing girl, but who's the fastest chef?
Man in the pan.
Okay, big shout out to Man in the Pan. Come on. Awesome. Welcome to the Man and the Pan. Today I'm going to do something really exciting for you. I'm going to make SAIKORO steak. SAIKORO means chop the meat in about an inch cube. So it's diced meat. And it's really a famous dish at a lot of izakayas. So all what you do, turn on the stove, okay, about medium heat. And I'm going to use this beautiful sirloin steak. Yeah, it's Baccarat sirloin steak. We sell this in our store now. So it's local beef, okay? Cut it in about 1 inch cube, okay? Now, in the frying pan, while the thing is getting hot over here, I add in a tablespoon of olive oil, okay? And a tablespoon of butter, okay? So as the thing heats up, I'll grab my steak, my beautiful steak that I cut, and I'll marinate it, add in some salt. I use the Hawaiian salt from Kauai, salt it up, and I put on some pepper. You got about 4 cloves of garlic, and I'm gonna grate it. In the meantime, I got these green onions. I got local green onions here. Now you gotta realize that 2 parts of the onions, okay? There's the green side, that dice it all up. Then the white side. Can you see this white side? Yeah? I sliced it all up. So I'm slicing all these white side up. Okay. I have the white side here and the green side there. Once the thing is hot, and we got the butter and the olive oil mixed up here, I'll dump inside my steak. Okay? And kind of like stir fry it. Don't overcook it, but stir fry it. Once the thing is almost done, it's not really cooked, you dump in the garlic, yeah, the grated garlic, and you dump in this white part of the green onions. Okay, let it go for about 5 minutes. Okay, just when it's about done, you put about 2 tablespoons of shoyu, and you put about a part of sake. And you just let it go, just like this. Boy, you can smell the sake, you can smell the garlic, and you can smell the soy sauce. Very tasty. And just when it's done, you grab the green part of the green onions and you sprinkle it in here. I guess that's it. There you go. SAIKORO. Favorite dish of a lot of Japanese izakaya. Bugger look good. Let's see how it tastes. Here we go. It's so hot. But it's so good. Oh. Wow. Great tasting product. I made it with local beef. So again, we'll see you next time on another Man in the Pan. Oh, aloha.